If you notice a common theme in my breaks this morning, it will be that there are many holiday boxes being broken. This is the last one though before I move on to some other more exciting products. Not that this is not exciting. I could get an Aaron Judge metallic snowflake parallel. And you do get one relic autograph or autograph relic in this box, which could also be Mr. Judge. So, we're going to get into it. There's just 10 packs in this. It seems like, I don't know if it follows the same as the 2016, which if you look at my videos, you'll see I just opened 2 of those. In those, there were 4 or 5 of the metallic snowflake parallels. Looking at the picture on the back. See this? Any of this? We want this. Well, yeah, I'll take that too. But we really want this. Let's see. I've had the hot hand lately. Let's see if it continues. I opened just a regular box of 2018 Topps and pulled a Correa World Series autograph and a Correa World Series jersey out of the same box. To me, I call that some really good luck. And then I opened some certified 2017 certified and Phoenix and got multiple Kareem Hunt RPAs. Just craziness, just absolute craziness. Those are on eBay if anybody's interested. David Dahl rookie. Chris Bryant, Adam Jones, Rizzo, Trevor Story, and Brandon Crawford. I had said that the photography in 2016 was nice, but it looks like 2017 is even better. Gallo, Musgrove, Newcomb rookie. Our first metallic snowflake. Looks good. Beltry, Duvall, Hanley, Daniel Murphy, Severino, Cespedes, Yelich, Braun, Longoria. Here's a nice Gurriel rookie. I like the snowflake rookies. It gives it a little something extra. I'm sure there are probably plenty of people who absolutely hate this product, but I like it. Bonifacio rookie. Skip to our next snowflake parallel. Encarnacion, Luke Weaver rookie, Jake Thompson rookie, and a Jordan Montgomery rookie. That was a rookie pack. Arenado, Kiermaier, Schwarber, Diaz, Sam Travis rookie. This is some player I expect to do good things. Hayward, Kimbrel, Odor, Carpenter, and Sonny Gray. Seager, Chris Davis, Renfro rookie, Freeland rookie, Alonso metallic snowflake, Kluber, Freeman, Zara, Margot, rookie, and Dozier. Adjust my stack down to the last 4 packs. Who will our game use auto game use be? And my last pack, it was this. Was pleased with that. And the box, last box, and the box before that was this. So I'm on a good run, I'd say. Correa. There's Bryce Harper from the back of the box. Maeda, Taines, Martinez, Bogarts, Rondon, George Springer, Giolito. And the next is, I see a Snowflake parallel. Pujols, Franco, Price, Duvall, Adam Duvall is our next metallic Snowflake. Chapman, Conforto, Syndergaard. Oh wow, and a Bellinger rookie. I wonder if this is a short print. I don't remember his standard rookie card, base card looking like this. Go ahead and sleeve this just to be on the safe side. Needs to be sleeved anyway. And I'll check this out. That would be nice. Seems like his rookie card was an action shot. Well, technically that's action, but not, in the field, hitting, fielding. Todd Frazier, Fowler, Gonzalez, and our jersey card is Longoria. It's just a white swatch, but I'll take it. Good player. I'm okay with that. Don't believe it's numbered. No. Puig, Pedroia, Hernandez, Abreu, and our last pack is... It is our last pack. David Price, Arroyo rookie, Todd Frazier, Fowler, nice, Tulowitzki, metallic Snowflake, another Pedroia, Hernandez, Abreu, Martinez, and a Winker rookie. And that is it for this box, guys. I didn't sort out my Snowflakes, so I can't do a quick recap. So I can only show this and this. Good enough. These are very affordable boxes, fun little breaks. I like affordable, I like fun. I assume you do too. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will be back. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes to break today, and I am thrilled about that. Thanks for watching, and the next video, you can expect it in just a few. Thanks.